In this video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Pixogun 3D. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. This will work for both Android and iOS devices, but in this video, I'm going to show you the process of signing out in an Android device. First, what you have to do is open up the game, and you can either go into the settings to go into the account tab or tap log out, this option that you can find over here on the menu. When you tap log out, you should see a warning similar to this. You have logged out from Google Play services. Once you are done logging out of Google Play services inside of Pixogun 3D, all that you have to do is tap this icon over here to sign into a new Google Play account, or alternatively, you can close the game and sign into the account inside of the Play Store. But as long as you open up Pixogun 3D and you sign into a new Google Play account or a new Game Center account, the next time you head into the settings, you are going to see this warning: your progress is saved to an earlier authorized account. All that you have to do then is click either Google Play or Game Center and then select Start a New Game. This will allow you to completely sign out of the original account and start over if you wish. Alternatively, you can stay on this account, but keep in mind that the progress is going to be linked to the old account that you are using. I hope I was able to help you on how to log out of Pixogun 3D. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.